Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I am back with another fall try-on haul featuring Cupshe. So if you guys are not new here, then you know my obsession with Cupshe. I've been shopping there and partnering with them for years now, so big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video. They did provide me a coupon code. It is KF15, and that will save you 15% off of their site with an order of $65 or more. They have so much good stuff. I honestly think this is my best haul that I've ever done from Cupshe, and I think a lot of people, when they think Cupshe, they think swimsuits, and don't get me wrong, they have some amazing swimsuits. Some of my favorites are from Cupshe, but they also have some just really awesome, super affordable, trendy pieces, but also classic staples. For me, when I'm looking and browsing through their site, I love to look at their like workwear because I feel like it's a bit more like timeless, classic styles, which you guys know that's what my vibe is. So I wanted to share with y'all my top picks and style them a little bit for you guys, because I think it's helpful to see them styled as well. I will have all of the exact links plus the sizing. I typically am a size medium in Cupshe. I size up a lot in things, and I will talk about sizing while I'm talking about each item as well. So let's start off with my absolute favorite piece that I've actually gotten in forever, and my favorite piece I've ever got from Cupshe, which is a set. I'm obsessed, okay? It's like a linen-y sort of material. The top is almost giving like fitted, slight peplum, but not like crazy peplum. But it has the beautiful, like these little like darts that kind of cinch in here and like form fit to the waist that kind of makes it look like a dress, but a stunning two-piece. And I love that it is two pieces because you can mix and match. Like I cannot wait. A long black skirt was on my wish list anyways. I didn't add it to my fall wish list, but it was in here, okay? And now I have this set and I'm obsessed. So I love the top, and it has a little button in the back, plus it has the zipper in the back, so it's super form-fitting. Love it. I would size up in this, or at least if you're like kind of in between sizes, go with your bigger size just because it is fitted. And it's not like bungeed. So there's really not much give to it, and I think the medium fits me absolutely perfectly. And then the skirt, again, adorable, has the zipper and a hook and eye in the back, and then it has these like lovely pleats in the front. The material is perfect, not see-through. It is not lined, but it is not see-through, so that's awesome. It's lightweight. Like I said, it has a very linen-y-esque material feeling. I could not be happier with how this fits. I think it's going to be a staple this season. I'm in love with like midi kind of skirts for the season. Okay, it's too hot. The sweater's coming off. Whew. Okay, let's continue with tops. I did style that little set with this striped sweater. I love this. This is black and like a creamy sort of color. It's got some button detailing on the side, which I love. I love this sort of like wide arms. It doesn't come to like a close at the end, like a cinch. I think it looks really cute. This is awesome. Obviously worn on or over the shoulders. Super cute. I love Cupshe for their sweaters. I have a bunch that have lasted me a long time from them. They're always coming out with new styles and new colors, so your mom finds something that you like, and I love this one. Now I know it is fall, okay? Well, we're coming to fall, but it's still like insanely hot here, and I still think this is a pretty fall piece. When I think of navy blue, I think of fall. I literally love the neckline and the arm detailing of this sort of like scalloped hem on it, and I love a little mock neck. So adorable. So this navy blue ribbed, it's very like thick cotton, so I think it looks really nice. Paired with like a trouser short or even jeans, it can be cute, but I think it just adds a little bit extra to a plain tank top. I love this piece. This is going to be a staple. I know I'm going to wear this all throughout the fall here as it's getting slightly colder in Dallas, but I think it's adorable. And I also think if you can wear sleeveless tops to an office setting, it would be great for that as well. Now, some more like fun tops, if you will. These button front tops have been huge. I love this like black ribbed detailing, and then it has a good V-neck. You can always kind of unbutton or button all the way up for more coverage, or more of like if you were going out. I think this would be cute paired with some leopard pants, with the jeans that I showed on. This is just a super versatile top, and I know these button front tops are huge going into fall, and I think this one's super cute. I love, it's very like stretchy, ribbed, sort of black material. That material feels more elevated than just like a cotton ribbed top. Next piece is definitely a going out piece. I love black lace for going out. I think because I wear pretty plain bottoms, it's fun to have like something that's a little more risque, if you will. You pair this with a black bralette underneath, which I can't find my black bralette at this moment. I need to find that. Or a little black tank, which is what I did. I love the detailing on the sleeves of this. They are wide and kind of like, what do I want to say? Scalloped again, I guess, I don't know. And at the bottom as well, this is much more of a looser fit. I could have sized down if I wanted to, but it also is cute. You can tuck it in. Again, with leather pants, with just any jeans, leopard pants, this would be so cute. A leather skirt, so on and so forth. Adorable, and a perfect staple for fall and winter, like for a nice going out sort of outfit. Well, not nice, but like a bar, something like that. Next up is this little vest. Now these vests are going crazy right now. I have one from Abercrombie. Love this. Literally looks like it's from Abercrombie. It is a little more like lightweight because it has like more see-through, but it's not see-through. Like I don't see my bra through it. The gold little button detailing is super cute on them. They do button and unbutton, and I just love the black with like the cream. I think this is super, again, versatile. You can wear it dressed up more for an office setting. If this is your office attire. I don't know, everyone's office is so different, you know what I mean? But this is just super cute, and I think that preppy sort of look is very in and will carry into the fall as well. Okay, so that is it for tops. Let's move into the two bottoms that I got. And the first one is these little like trouser gray. They're pretty long. I love these. Again, I did size up in these. I would rather them be a little loose and big than too tight, and I'm happy that I got a medium in these. I think these are cute. I think these are gonna be a staple going into the fall. They're like still short, but they're gray, and I feel like they feel a bit more fall than summer. So I love these, and I know I will have these in my wardrobe for years to come. Just a good staple pair of like linen-esque, trouser-esque, short, not linen, trouser-esque, businessy sort of short. And they are long enough that you could, again, if you're allowed to wear shorts to an office setting, that would be a good option as well. But I just like to dress in long shorts, so I would wear them anywhere. Paired with a chunky sweater, paired with a tank top, anything like that, they're just really cute and super versatile. Okay, I don't think I've ordered a single pair of jeans off of Cupshe before, but honestly, they're so freaking comfortable. They're like sweatpants. They feel so just like loose and stretchy and good. I honestly feel like I'm gonna wear these a ton. They have a raw hem at the bottom. They only go in small, medium, large. I would say I got these in a medium because I knew they were gonna be a little bit more low rise to mid rise, I guess you could, more mid rise. So that is typically where I am the widest, is at my like hip belly region. So I sized up, and I'm happy that I did because they fit so good. They just go straight from the hips all the way down, which is what I think a great wide leg denim does. It's this beautiful like medium light wash, sort of more medium, with like some like light washing in the middle. But I really was surprised at how much I liked these. I'm just gonna say it, it's crazy. I don't know, I'm typically like a raw denim girl, but I think that there's a place for stretchy jeans for comfort, and I think these would be great with, like I said, that blue. This would be great with anything. These are super cute, and I think wide leg jeans with a raw hem is so big for the fall. Last but not least, let's get into dresses. The first one being this one that I have on right now. I know this is technically summery, I get that, but that's why I had the sweater over the shoulders. I thought that would jazz it up and make it look really cute and more fall appropriate. Throw it on with some riding boots or anything like that, cowgirl boots, cowboy boots, whatever. I think it would be really cute. This is borderline short, so I would say if you want more length, size up. Again, I did get this in a medium, I think, and I like how big and flowy it is. I think that's what makes shift dresses so cute, but it is borderline short on me, so keep that in mind. And if it's too windy, girl, whoop, so wear some little shorties underneath, but it is adorable. I love a good like stripe. It's an Oxfordy sort of material, so it's kind of a thicker cotton. It is so cute, so easy to throw on and style and wear with either sneakers, boots, anything like that. And I have so many striped dresses from Cupshe. They're just like, they do striped dresses so well. Okay, though, my second like favorite thing probably I've had in a very long time. I'm not a dress girl, you know I'm not. But this dress, like when I put this on, I'm sure you'll see in the clip, I like audibly was like, what the, this is so good. I love the drop waist trend. I think it's adorable. This top is kind of like a stretchy bodycon sort of top, and then it hits you at your waist and then just goes out. Stunning. Has pockets. This part is kind of like lightweight and fleshy, and this is like a stretchy form-fitting dress with kind of like a boat neck top. This is stunning. If you can't tell, I'm obsessed with this dress, and I'm so happy that I have that. It honestly looks like triple the price point. Like, it's insane how expensive that looks on for the price. It's crazy. Okay, and then I have two little sweater dresses to finish off. So this one, I really love the style of this, but the silhouette is more bodycon, which is not necessarily my cup of tea. So I would say I should have sized up. I sized up to a medium in this, but I wish I would have done like a large. It's just too like body for me. But if you're a body hugging kind of girl and you love that, then this is adorable. I love the little buttons. I think this is extremely classy and very cute. I would say if you want this for an office, size way the heck up, because it is quite short, and being a sweater material, it can tend to ride up. Depending how big your booty is, but I think this is stunning. I love the detailing on the sleeve and the neck and the buttons. These are not actual buttons, like you can't unbutton it. It's one solid piece, which is fine because, I mean, who's unbuttoning this more than what it is? But the pockets are real, which is cute. So I like this. I would just say it's very out of my comfort zone with the fact that it is so form-fitting, but it is a gorgeous dress, and I love the navy blue with the gold. Now this is a little bit more within my comfort zone, even though it is kind of more bodycon. It's not super form-fitting, that word today. I love the black detailing around the neckline and the arms and all the way down the side and then splits off. Now I would say I would probably wear this more like on a vacation or something like that. You could wear a bathing suit underneath it if it's a little chillier. If you're gonna wear this as just like a dress, you definitely would need nude undergarments or like a slip underneath, I think personally. Yeah, it's a bit sheer for me, but it is really freaking cute. I love the detailing on the side. I think that's so fun. So it's all knit, creamy with this like black piping, but that is it, you guys. Like, when I told you this is my best Cupshe haul that I've had in like ever, I'm serious. So if you've only thought of Cupshe as swimsuits, definitely check out their website. You will not be disappointed. I just think their stuff is super cute, super trendy, and also at really affordable prices. Plus you can save more by using my coupon code. I've worked with them for years, you guys, so again, big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me. But before I even started working for them or working with them, I used to buy my own stuff from there. So I love how far they've come and how they just went from swimsuits to everything you could ever possibly imagine and want. So big shout out again to Cupshe for partnering with me. Again, don't forget to check out the description box and use my code KF15 to get you 15% off your order of $65 or more. And stay tuned for more fall content featuring Cupshe. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.